Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that I didn't think I was gonna do, but I just came home from Priceline and I have a haul. I didn't think that I was gonna have enough at all to do a haul, but I do, so here it is. So if you didn't know, Priceline currently have a half price cosmetic sale. If you didn't see my previous video where I talked about my recommendations and wish lists, I will have that listed down below up on the screen as well. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I picked up today at the sale. I have been at work all day, so excuse my appearance and my glasses and everything. I didn't even put on a lip. Hold on, let me just fix up. Actually, I'm just going to put on a new lip product that I just bought. So the first thing that I wanted to show is an Opalac gel kit. This one comes with 3 colors, 2-in-1 cleanser remover and a base coat and a top coat and a light and other things as well. This came down to $50. The polishes were $10 each on sale, and this comes with 5. So I figure I was already getting 3, so I'm just like, I'll just get the pack. That way I'm spending a little bit more and I'm getting more for it as well. I already have a lamp. I think that this one will be better for my toes. It comes with Cosmelicious Sugar Blossom Seductress. Come to think of it, I think I have Sugar Blossom. And then, well, you can't go wrong with a top and base coat anyway, but I really wanted a red and they didn't have a red in the section, and I was getting a color similar to Cosmelicious. It was like Go Gaga or something like that. The Shine and Soak cleanser stuff, that always comes in handy. I thought that that was good. This is a brand that I really love. Like, I'm obsessed with their polishes. I have Nude Bay on at the minute, and yeah, they're a great product. Sorry if you can hear the rain. So I picked up 2 of the Rimmel Stay Satin liquid lip colors. This one here is in Scrunchie, and then this one here is in Sike. Well, I haven't tried these and I haven't heard too much about them, but I do much so prefer I guess a satin lip compared to a matte drying one these days. I think I'll try on Sike. Oh, it's gorgeous. There is Sike. It is a beautiful nude color. I'm not too sure what to expect with these. Like, do they dry down? Feels like it's kind of drying down, but I'm not too sure. And then this color, Scrunchie, is a beautiful, like, vibrant red pink kind of color, which I've been really into lately. So yeah. Look, the formulation of Scrunchie to Sike does feel a little bit different just putting them on my hand then. Scrunchie feels a little bit more thick and moussey, and Sike felt more liquidy. So this is Scrunchie, and this is Sike. I picked up the Savvy Mineral Loose Powder in Brightening. Like, I do have a couple of Savvy products that I have tried and I do like. So I thought that I would try this loose powder to see if it's any good. I might just wear it to work because I do actually bake underneath my eyes every day with the loose powder, and this came down to like $3. So I thought, why not try it? This is the one that I said that I wanted to get. So this is the Superstay Matte Ink in Heroin by Maybelline. Now this one is like really matte. Although it looks quite similar to Scrunchie, it's more orange, I would say. I would say Scrunchie is more pink and Heroin's more like reddy orange. Cannot wait to wear this. You know what? Someone actually mentioned that they wanted to pick up a few things from Covergirl because they've recently announced that they're going cruelty free. And I'm like, such a great idea. That's such a good idea to support the brand. I haven't really tried too many Covergirl things, I'll be honest, and the things that I have tried, I haven't really, they've been kind of like meh, but I thought that I'd just pick up a few things to support the brand in their change to a cruelty-free brand, which is amazing. So I picked up the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation. Now I got the color M10 Golden Natural. So yeah, if you want to see first impressions, I'll do one anyway. And then I picked up the Translucent Medium Powder. It's just another loose powder. I don't know why I went loose powder crazy. But anyway, picked up those 2. And then another Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour. Now I got the color Sand. I don't think I have Sand. I'll give it a go, see what it's like. Hopefully the tone doesn't look too pink. So I did get an Australis concealer. This is a Color Click concealer. And I got the peach color because I thought that it would be a good corrector. Who knows? I don't know. I thought I'd try it anyway and see what it's like. This product, this one is a Savvy Contour Face Defining Stick in Shadow. Now, I think I want to like save this for first impressions, but I'll just open it and show you. That actually looks like a pretty good like contour color. I'm not really one for using contour kind of stick products. Like, I'm really not experienced with them, but that doesn't look too bad. The tan is just like fading off my hands so bad. It's midweek, okay? Well, I did also get this CoverGirl Perfect Blend eye pencil in brown. Black brown. I do want to find something that won't irritate my eyes. Hoping this will be it. I did also get another one. I picked up 2 Savvy lip liners in rose. Of course. This was the other one that I picked up. This is a Rimmel Exaggerate waterproof eye definer. So it's got like a little smudgy on the end, and I think it's a wind up one. Yeah, I think I have a brown one of these. I can't remember if it irritates me or not, but I got black. You know what? I think I've gone to get this so many times from the sale, and they've been like sold out. So I finally got my hands on one. Oh, another CoverGirl product. So this is the Outlast All Day Concealer. I got Fair in that one. NYX HD concealer. I had previously had one of these, and I think it's like all dried up, and I still want to do a NYX One brand tutorial, so pick that one up. Now I got the shade 3.5 because the other shades, lighter shades, they seemed really pink. This one might not be light enough to brighten enough, but oh well. And then a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 10 Light, as per usual. And then lastly, I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I got the shade True Beige. I just didn't even test it. I was just like, yeah, this will do. So I got a few foundations, and all of this came to $173. And then I had some rewards, which I used. And I also found a $100 gift card when I was looking through my drawers in my wardrobe. So I used that too. So all up, I only paid $64 for all of this, would you believe? That's what I picked up in the haul. There's still 2 more days left. So let me know if I missed something. Like, I mean, I don't think I need any more. I think I did pretty good. I got 2 new gel polishes. Oh, I didn't see. Oh, they have all the colors on the back. Oh my god, I just want them all. See, they didn't have all of the colors in my store. They had like quite a lot, but like I feel they were missing quite a few. That is it for my haul. Hope you're doing really well. Hope you got everything that you wanted at the sale. Someone did mention that the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder was in store, and I should have mentioned it, but I didn't know about it. And I looked at my store and they didn't have it, so I don't know if they have it yet or not. But that's the one that everyone loves from the US, so I don't know. Hopefully we get it soon. I don't know if it was just my store. Have a look for it if you can. That's it from me. I will see you next time. Bye.